It is an absolutely glorious day today, 78 degrees Fahrenheit. This is what we're going to do today. I'm actually really excited. I'm going to go over there and get all the weeds out of that flower bed over there. I'm going to show you guys what I've got in these little jugs planted over there. Oh, springtime. It's a whole hell of a lot of work, but it's going to be worth it. Have a great day, folks. Well, I better get outside and get busy. Time to get my hands dirty, go play in the dirt a little bit. Talk to you guys later. He looks like he's having a good time. It's such a great day today. Oh, look at my pretty girl. That's Kenya Blue. She's got my back while I'm out here working. And Lucy has to unfortunately be on a chain. Not because she'll leave, but because she will harass Kenya to no end. And Kenya is not in the mood. It is too hot for that. 80 degrees. Looky, looky, looky. No more weeds. Whew, it is hot out there, but I am not complaining. I'm loving every minute of it. But I need nourishment. I'm hungry. It's time to eat. Oh yeah, we got some pasteles and some green beans. Grand Rising. Oh, it's another beautiful day. It'll be in the 80s again today. I love it. Lucy, you want to run? You want to run? Go run. Run, Lucy, run! Run, Lucy, run! Run! Run, Lucy! Run, run, run! Run, run, run! Our project for the day. This right here. It's a mess, but not for long. It's going to be so pretty. Aren't they beautiful? I think they're beautiful. These are the bricks that are going to go where the bushes are, and the second layer for my flower bed over there. Unfortunately, these things need to be chiseled because there's concrete on them. That's Tito's job. I do not envy him. I'll be out here keeping him company. There's a bee that keeps hovering around this pole, and it chases all the other bees away. It's been there for a few days. That can't be a good sign. I hope the camera's picking it up. Here's a big bee. Oh. And yeah, he'll chase you. Back to the never-ending pile of bricks.
For me, yeah.
We've done so much with these bricks. Well, this part's done. Good job, baby, good job. While we were outside all morning long, this beautiful dish was in here baking away.
Time to eat, y'all. Check it out. Yep, that's my diet.
Ta-da! Looks good.
You're right, because if I didn't love you, I'd tell you to do it your damn self. I would just put me in more hot water.
Oh yeah, much better. Gonna add a second layer to that one over there in a few days. But look how good this one looks.